Hi guys, welcome to the video. So please remember, once you finish watching this video, if you enjoyed it, to hit that like button and to subscribe if you haven't already, because you get a lot more future content on coins. So I'm very excited today. Today I'm showing off the third coin in a series of 10, and that's the series of the Queen's Beasts. This is the Red Dragon of Wales, £5, brilliant uncirculated coin, dated 2018. This is the first one that's been issued with the 2018 on it. And if they are true to form and follow on from last year, there should be one more out this year, because the other two were out in 2017. So if you purchase this coin, it'll come in this packaging from the Royal Mint and will cost you £13. And this is the back. But what I'm going to do now is open this packet up, show you the contents inside so that you never have to open yours, but you can see exactly what content you've got inside of there. So I'll just slide it out of the sleeve here and we'll actually look at this first. So that's the front. And as you can see here, this is coin number 3 of 10. A little bit of literature here that you can pause on and read in your own time. And then let's just look at the coin specifications. So the denomination is £5. The alloy is copper nickel. The weight is 28.28 grams. The diameter is 38.61 millimeter. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. And then the obverse and reverse designer is Jody Clark. So we'll put that down. We'll come back to the coin itself in a second, but what I'll do is just run you through the inside contents. So just going to leave each page on here for a couple of seconds. That way you can pause and just read it at your own leisure. Now, I don't feel like I'm being biased here, but obviously with this coin being the Red Dragon of Wales, it's probably my favourite coin already. But let me know in the comments section which one in the series is your favourite that you're looking forward to most, or if the one that you like most is already out. But like I said, this is a stunning coin, but maybe I am a bit biased. So let's have a look at the coin itself. So we'll start off with the obverse of the coin. There we go. So you can see that lovely shine on there. The mark that you can see by here, that is actually a mark on the plastic rather than on the coin itself. Yep, I can confirm that. So it still looks stunning. And now if you have a look at the reverse of the coin, you can see it dated 2018, Red Dragon of Wales. And you can see the Red Dragon of Wales right there. So yeah, another stunning coin in this series, third of 10. I'm definitely going to carry on collecting it. Let me know in the comment section below if you've already got the previous two, or if you're now deciding that you're going to start buying these. Definitely worth collecting. But if you haven't already, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.